Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and today we are working on a walk-in cooler and walk-in freezer. So we're doing the installation again of a brand new walk-in cooler, walk-in freezer for a commercial restaurant. And you can see here to the left is the cooler, and that's the fans, and that is a hole to go up to the roof. Copper lines are right here. And this is the freezer. And we're running the copper line right here. And then up there, freezer, the fans, we're soldering. So up on the roof is the condenser. Both condensers for the cooler and for the freezer. So call us your AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay. Subscribe to us on YouTube at ABC Austin Service Express. Okay. 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. Okay. All right. Thanks. Bye.